Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today I'm gonna smoke up an 8-pound full-bred A5 Wagyu Ribeye steak from J&H Livestock in Wyoming. So the Pits and Spit smoker is sitting at 250 degrees. We got a good flow, we got beautiful, clear blue smoke. So now it's time to season up the A5 Wagyu Ribeye. So J&H Livestock specializes in raising full-blood Akaushi Wagyu, which is a breed renowned for its exceptional beef quality. It has intense marbling, tenderness, and a very unique flavor because of the careful genetic selection and breeding. It has beautiful intramuscular marbling, and as you can see, it has a huge fat cap that we're gonna keep on during this cook. So we have allowed this 8-pound Wagyu ribeye to come up to room temperature. Now we want to season it with a simple rub, salt, pepper, garlic. We're using our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Texas Boost. Then we're going to let the steak sit with the seasoning for about 40 minutes. The ribeye is now seasoned, so it's time to put it in the smoker. And now we want to slowly smoke this at 250 degrees until we reach an inner temperature of about 120 degrees. While we're waiting for the Wagyu to smoke, we're gonna prepare a butter bath and an herb brush. So here's how we do that. We're gonna add 2 sticks of butter to a small cast iron pan, and then we wanna tie together a couple of sprigs of rosemary and thyme. Throughout the cook, we're gonna baste the steak with butter. We're only doing this for flavor because we don't need to add any fat to this steak. The steak is now sitting with an inner temperature of 120 degrees, so it's time to remove it from the grill. We want to open the lid to the firebox, and then we want to remove the metal top. We're gonna place a heavy cast iron pan on the grates, and now we want to add a couple of sticks of wood to crank up the heat. When the cast iron pan is screaming hot, we're gonna place the steak, and now we want to sear it a couple of minutes on each side, just to caramelize and give it a good char. When you have a good char, remove it and let it rest for 10 minutes. And then we're gonna slice into this beautiful A5 Wagyu ribeye, and look at this. This is just insane. And that is how I smoke my Wagyu A5 ribeye from J&H Livestock. And when you cut through it, it just cuts through like butter. And look at that little piece of meat there. That is just perfection. So let's try it and see what it tastes like. Absolutely melts in your mouth. Got a little bit of a smokiness. This is so good. I really hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.